Right, trade idea for the week here. Tesla, again, a huge beneficiary of rate cuts. 216 breaks. Tesla can go all the way up to 225, 226 to 231 as the extended price target here. We are going back to that upper trend line is what I'm thinking. If you look at the weekly time frame, we are going to break that trend line is what I'm thinking. 234 as the price target. And we'll see what happens there. Peekaboo kind of setup here. 220 call is what I'm looking for. I did share that other swing trade idea on Friday before this move. Tesla was around 210 when I posted about it. Obviously, the contract did not move much. I think it's about 15% up from when I posted it. And the October 240 calls going into the robo taxi event, that looks pretty good, and those can go 100% if Tesla moves this week. So keep an eye out for that. And small accounts also can play it with that 240 call because it's pretty cheap, and getting 100% there with time, amazing trade I feel. So keep an eye out for that on Tesla. But on the weekly time frame for the top trade idea for the week, we have the 220 call with a trigger at 216 and stop loss at I think I put stop loss at 210. But I mean, if we are going back to 205, I would probably go buy the dip there. I wouldn't be playing anything to the downside on Tesla. So keep an eye out for that on Tesla.